MAH CET exam consists of 150 minutes. Students keep asking what is the ideal time they should give to each of the sections. Although there is nothing right or wrong because there is no sectional cutoff, right? The sectional time does not matter. But for a candidate who is prepared on all fronts and is equally balanced in all four sections, here's the time that I would suggest. For the logical reasoning section, the 75 questions should be attempted in within 55 to 65 minutes. Abstract reasoning, there are just 25 questions and one should ideally take 15 to 20 minutes. Quantitative aptitude, the time of this section should be 35 to 40 minutes. And verbal ability section, the time given to this section should be 30 to 35 minutes. These timings might change from person to person, but this is, as per my opinion, is the ideal time for if you are targeting an equal score, a balanced score in all the sections.